Today we will see how to delete a Gmail account or how to delete a Google account. Okay, the Gmail is a product of Google account. So now we are deleting a Gmail account. Once your Google account will delete, automatically Gmail service will be stopped. So let's see how to delete a Google account or Gmail account. Okay, so just open any browser and type gmail.com. So it is asking now sign in. So click on sign in button and type your Gmail ID which you want to delete. So now I am typing here my email ID and press next button and then type here your Gmail ID's password. So once you logged in Gmail account, you can see at the top right corner there is a profile photo is there. You have to just click on that photos. So when you click on that photos, so now you can see there is a button manage your Google account. So you have to click on that button. Now you can see in left side there are many options: home, personal info, data personalization, security, people and sharing. Okay, so you have to click on data and personalization. So just click on that option. Okay, now you can see there are many options are here. So you have to go down, right? You can see there is an option is download, delete or make a plan for your data. Okay, in this option you can see there is a one option delete a service or your account, right? You have to select this option. Okay, so I am just clicking on that option. Okay, now you can see there are many options are available here. To delete a Google account, you have to select this option, delete your Google account. So just click on that option. Okay, after clicking that option, you can see it is asking for a password. Okay, so you have to enter your password again and click on next button. Now this page is open. Now Google is asking for a confirmation. Okay, so you have to go down and you can see there are two options there. So you have to click on that options. So now I am clicking on both the options and you have to press on delete a account button. Once you click on this button, then our Gmail account and our Google account will be deleted. So before clicking this option, you have to be very careful. So now I am clicking on that delete account button. So now you can see one message arrived, your Google account and its all data has been deleted. It means our Google account is deleted or our Gmail account is deleted. Okay, so you can try. If you have any questions and any doubts, you can write below given comment box. Thank you and